All right, now we're going to work on the last one, ISO number 20. I'm already in my ISO folder, so I'm just going to click Create, Document. I'll call this ISO 20. All right, I want to make this box and go ahead and cut this section out on my first step. So I'm going to work from the front. I'm going to click Sketch. I'm going to turn off the visibility of my origin, top, front, right. So I've just got the plane that I'm working on. I'll click Front here. So my rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it doesn't matter if I use the corner rectangle or the center point rectangle. So this was 8, enter, by 6, enter. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and create this rectangle up here before I extrude it. I could go ahead and extrude this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches, finish that, and then go back in and cut this out. But we can go ahead and do that in one step. Okay, so this rectangle is 1, 2, 3 inches by 1, well, let me count up here, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. Now this time I do want to use the corner rectangle because I want to start on this line. So when it turns yellow, I'm going to left click and just drag. Pull this down, okay. This was 4 inches across, so I type in 4, enter, then 3, enter. Now I need to get it the right distance from the edge, so it's 2 inches from each side, so it doesn't matter if I dimension it on this side or this side. So I need to come up here to the dimension button, type on dimension. When the line turns yellow, I left click. I come over. When this line turns yellow, I left click one more time. Click again and type in 2. All right, so now this is centered. Click on the isometric view. Now I want to extrude it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. Extrude 5. And then I click inside the little box and that just removes that from the extrusion. And I click OK. So now I just need to cut out this corner circle right here. And it has a diameter of 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. So I'm going to work from this side. I'm going to click Sketch. And I just click right. I'm going to use the center circle. I'm going to come up here on this corner, left click, drag down. Now it had a radius of 4 inches. We're looking for the diameter here because it's got the circle with the line all the way through it. That tells me that it's looking for the diameter. So the diameter was 8 inches. Now I'm going to click on the isometric view. We're going to extrude this. Again, I want to remove. We want to cut that part out. And I could type in 8 inches, or you can just grab the arrow and just make sure you go all the way through. Doesn't matter if you go too far, as long as you get all the way through. I click Done. And that's ISO number 20.